Welcome back everyone, another weekend, and we are cracking on with the Mazda. In fact, we're just about to finish, which is great. It's nice to get a car finally finished that we've been working on. So we've got it down back on the ground. We did a corner weighing first. We weighed her at 997 kilos, which is about 20 below standard. Once I've taken off the fuel, but I've removed some bits, so I guess it kind of makes sense. Back on the ground next, and the final operation is to do the roof drain. So this is actually something that you lot told me to do. So what you've got is the roof here, and the rain comes down here, goes in through that gap there as it's designed to. And what you've got is a plastic collector ring all the way around here underneath, if you know what I mean, inside where the water collects. It runs all the way down here with gravity, pops out there, goes into a plastic little collector, and then down a vertical drain which takes it all the way down at the bottom, and that's the theory anyway. So now we are going to clear it. So one of the many ways that a Mazda can die is they get blocked up, and then the water will find other ways down through gravity and end up one way or another in the seals there. I mean, water will always get in the seals anyway if you know a car is going to be in the rain, but this way is a frequent way. So I thought, rather than just clearing them out, why don't we bore scope them and see what's down there, and I don't know, it might help someone else out there. So I've got my trusted bore scope here. We're gonna go, I'll show you how I've got access to them. I went a bit OTT here. I just took all the, I've struggled to get access to them. They're kind of like right behind these seatbelt attachment pillars here. They're really hard to get to, so in the end I just stripped all this stuff out because they're struggling to get in. So what I'm going to do now is try and show you, I guess, where they are. They're either side, obviously. So there you've got the ring that collects the rain all the way around there. I wouldn't be surprised if these fatigue at some point as well and crack. And then hopefully you can see the ring will end. The water will drop into what you can see is probably a muddy little plastic basin, and then you've got somewhere, stand by, where is he? A little hole down there. There's no way you're going to see it with the camera, but you just have to take my word for it. There is a little hole down there that is going to drain us. So let's set the ball scope up and have a look down there. So this is going to be a little bit difficult to do, but you'll find where that drain is. Ooh, a bit of grease. Don't want to get grease on the ball scope camera. Easiest if I do it like this. So here is the plastic basin. There is your drainage hole, and boy, going in. We are now in. Down we go. It's about 6 inches down. About 9 inches down. Foot down. I'm snagged on something. Got a bit down. So far, it looks amazingly clean. About a foot and a half down. The end of the ball scope now. What the heck is that out there? About 2 foot down, and what the heck am I looking at? Maybe it was at the bottom of the car. I wonder if that's at the bottom of the car. Let's go and have a little look-see. Okay, let's have a. I can't get under the car because it's not on ramps at the moment, so let's just reverse that. Can you see a ball scope there? Where is it? See something? Because the ball scope's a light on it. Well, almost impossible for me to point the camera at it, but I think, can you see a light there? If you can, then that is Monsoir ball scope. Oh, something up here. Where is that? There's something there. There it is. It's up. Is that my hand? There it is. Ball scope. Ball scope's come out the bottom. Beautiful. So someone's actually beaten us to it in this case, which is good because that's perfectly clear. I'll go and clear the other side. That's that done. Put the car back together, and I hate to say it, but that may be project complete until we decide we want to start modifying some bits, which we want to do straight away. See you later.